Termination, resignation, and involuntary loss of employment in the UAE are governed by Federal Decree Law No. 33 of 2021 on the Regulation of Labor Relations, UAE Labor Law. Below is a detailed explanation of the rules related to benefits, notice periods, and conditions for surviving after losing a job. 1. Termination, employer initiated. When an employer dismisses an employee, it is considered termination. Termination can be with cause or without cause. A. Termination without cause, unjustified termination. The employer must provide a valid reason, such as company restructuring or redundancy. The employee is entitled to a notice period and end of service benefits. If an employer dismisses an employee unfairly, e.g., without valid reason, the employee can claim compensation through the Ministry of Human Resources and Emiratization, MORE. B. Termination with cause, justified dismissal. Under Article 44 of the UAE Labor Law, an employer can terminate an employee without notice if the employee commits misconduct, e.g., theft, fraud, or violation of company policies, fails to perform their duties after written warnings, uses a fake identity or submits false documents, causes severe financial loss to the employer, is absent for more than 7 consecutive days without a valid reason. In such cases, the employee loses termination benefits but is still entitled to receive any outstanding salary. 2. Resignation, employee initiated. If an employee decides to resign voluntarily, they must follow the resignation process. A. Notice period. The standard notice period is 30 to 90 days, depending on the employment contract. The employee must serve the full notice period unless the employer agrees to waive it. B. End of service benefits after resignation. The employee is entitled to gratuity if they have completed at least 1 year of service. 3. Involuntary loss of employment rules. If an employee loses their job involuntarily, they need to take the following steps to survive financially and secure another job. A. Unemployment benefits. The UAE introduced an unemployment insurance scheme, as of 2023. Eligible employees can receive up to 60% of their basic salary, capped at 20,000 United Arab Emirates dirhams per month, for 3 months if they have paid into the scheme for at least 12 months. B. Job loss visa grace period. The grace period for visa cancellation is between 30 to 180 days, depending on the employee's visa category. During this time, the employee must find a new job or leave the country. C. Financial survival after job loss, claim final settlement, request unpaid salary, gratuity, and leave balance. Unemployment insurance, apply if eligible. Health insurance, check if medical coverage continues. Find a new job quickly, use job portals like Bait, LinkedIn, and Gulf Talent. Freelance visa option. If no job is found, consider switching to a freelance visa. 4. End of service benefits, gratuity. An employee is entitled to gratuity pay based on their service period. 1 5 years. 21 days basic salary per year. More than 5 years. 30 days basic salary per year. Employees terminated for misconduct, Article 44, are not entitled to gratuity. 5. Final settlement. After termination or resignation, after leaving the company, the employer must settle all payments within 14 days of termination. This includes final salary, including any pending wages, gratuity pay, if applicable, unused annual leave compensation, any unpaid overtime, repatriation ticket, if in contract. 6. UAE job market and survival tips. Network actively. Connect with recruiters on LinkedIn. Attend job fairs, find opportunities in your field. Consider temporary jobs. Take short-term contracts while job hunting. Reduce expenses, cut unnecessary spending until a new job is secured. Check legal status, ensure visa status is updated before the grace period ends.